Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the bus stops on Constant Spring Road. Now it has been in the news a lot this week about the bus stops on this road. Now we are right by Manor Park Plaza, and here you can see a large bus stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bus stops. Now apparently, when this road was renovated, before it was renovated, it had 23 bus stops. But after it was renovated, you only had 16. And then there is a BPO operating somewhere here that has increased the number of persons that use the area. So that's the first set of bus stops that we have passed. And we're going to drive all the way down to Halfway Tree and take a look at the bus stops. So there has been a lot of discussion about it. This is Discount on the left here. And apparently a bus stop used to be out here somewhere, because persons were saying when you leave Hilo, you have to walk down to the police station to get a bus. But you could also go up to the one we just passed. Hilo is in the Manor Park Plaza. So we've passed one bus stop, or I don't know if that's considered 5, but one location where a bus stop is. This is Manor Center on the right. Now we're driving from Manor Park to Halfway Tree, and we will identify all the bus stops as we go along this route, and then we'll come up on the other side and take a look at the bus stops. Okay, there is another bus stop out here, just said by the police station. That's the police station on the right, and there is a bus stop on the left. And this is a proper bus stop. See, you can come off the road so you don't block traffic. Now, apparently a lot of persons have been getting tickets because they are stopping to drop off passengers on this road at the wrong spot. So you see on the right, a car has just stopped there. Alright, so this is the entrance to the Immaculate Conception High School on the left, and that's the tax office on the right. So we've passed 2 bus stops already, driving from Manor Park to Halfway Tree. This is True Value Mall. No bus stop out here. So Super Value Town Center, sorry. So if you were to leave this mall, you'd have to walk up to by the police station or walk down to the next bus stop. And straight ahead on the right, they're building another BPO facility. That's actually the head office for Chemtech, but it's not completed yet, and 2 floors over there will be used for call centers, so that's even more traffic on the road. All right, so we've passed 2 bus stops so far, one in Manor Park by Manor Park Plaza, and the other one by the police station. Okay, you have Scotiabank on the left, you have NCB on the left, but there's no bus stop out here. So it looks like after you pass the bus stop at the police station, the next one is going to be by Oaklands. That is a very long way for somebody to walk to get a bus. Okay, they definitely need another bus stop between the police station and those banks. However, as you notice, there's no space to put the bus stop. Okay, here is the 3rd bus stop on the way down now, and this is out by Oaklands. So between Constant Spring Police Station and Oaklands, that's where the 2 bus stops are. So that's the 3rd one. Wow, that is a very far distance to have the bus stops. It really is. So now I can understand what all the discussion is about. And then this is another mall, a plaza being built here, and I don't see any bus stop out here. Wow. Okay, there's a bus stop on the other side of the road there where those persons are, or people are standing up. But no, we've only passed 3 going down. And I know out here, there is no bus stop out here. So the children going to Queens. Okay, here's the bus stop. This is the fourth one now, on the left. And we just passed Shortwood Road. And there's a school right there on Central Avenue at the intersection with Shortwood Road, the Queens High School. Okay, there's a bus stop on the right, but we're just counting the ones on the left going down now. So we've passed 4. This is a bus stop? No, it's not. Yes, it is. That's 5. That's a bus stop, but there's no space for the car to pull off the road or the bus, so they'd have to stop and block the road. I guess if it... Alright, so we're going to continue our tour now. We've passed 5 bus stops on the left going down from Manor Park to Halfway Tree. Okay, this is the intersection with Dunrobin Avenue, and no more bus stops on the left. So the last bus stop was actually by Home and Things. Okay, now this looks like another bus stop. Well, it's, yes, there you go. Another bus stop, so that's 6. But that stretch between the stretch between the Constant Spring Police Station and Oaklands, they definitely need another bus stop, maybe even 2 along that stretch. And to think a new BPO is coming along that road, they definitely need to fix that one. Okay, so here's another bus stop now on the left. So that would make what, 7, 8? I think I've lost track. I think that's 7. Okay guys, we're continuing our tour of Constant Spring Road and looking at the bus stops. So we're now passing the village, the mall, Tropical Plaza, and we're going to see if they have any more down here. So between Manor Park and Halfway Tree, we've passed 8 bus stops on that side of the road. Okay, here is another bus stop right in front of the mall plaza. This is Tropical Plaza now. And is this a bus stop? No, it's not. We're now in Halfway Tree, the heart of Halfway Tree. That's the transport center right there on the right. Okay, then on the left you have no more bus stops. No, that's not a bus stop. Yes, there's a bus stop on the left after we pass this stoplight. So that would make 9 between, well, yes, this is still Constant Spring Road. It ends at the intersection. So that's a bus stop there on the left. Okay, so that's the between Manor Park and Halfway Tree. Constant Spring Road headed in that direction. Now we're going to take a tour. But this is part 1. You can check out the video for part 2, which will be a different video where we drive from... We're going to drive on Eastwood Park Road up to Constant Spring Road, and then from Constant Spring Road up to Constant Spring Road from the intersection with Eastwood Park Road up to Manor Park to see what's going on at that side of the road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Please leave your comments in the section below and also let us know what you think about this bus stop situation, because it's most interesting to see the spacing of the bus stops. And why would you have 23 bus stops? You renovate the road, make it wider, and only put back in 16. Not sure what happened. Alright guys, have a good day.